Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, as per your request, I'm solving May June 2018 paper for document production, right? So remember that before we start working on it, first thing is folder organization. By folder organization, I mean that you should have your source files with you. As you can see that if you check the type of this folder, this is compressed. So never start your work directly on zip or compressed folder. So you need to select this file, right click, extract all, extract. So in this way, this decompressed file is going to be decompressed. Double click, press Control A, C, get back to the root, paste everything outside the folder, select these two files in a folder and delete it. Okay, so I try to reduce the extra level of full subfolders in it. Now, read the question paper. Task 1 is evidence document. Evidence document, what you need to do. You need to open up this file, you need to add a header, and you need to save this Word file by this name. So now, very quickly, I'm going to cover up these three steps all together. So you need to quickly understand it. That's how I'm doing it. So this is the evidence file. Double click it. It will open up this file automatically in Microsoft Word. Okay. Simply, you need to close this dialog box. You need to go double click the header area, go to insert menu, click on header and select blank 3 columns. And then you can write your name. As you can see in the question paper, they have asked you make sure that center name appear on every page of this document. So in the mid, you write your name. Here you can write PK635. And here you can type your candidate number 12345. Double click here. And that's it. Go to file, save as, pick the first option, and change the file type to docx, and add your name by the end of this evidence, which is Mudassir. On save, this is a warning message because it is asking you to upgrade it to a newest file format. Just click OK, press Ctrl S. This is it. Minimize it just for some time. Now move up to task number 2, which is the pure job you need to work on. So remember, before you start this file, or start working on this file, listen to me carefully. You need to open up J228 apparent file. Where is that? Go to work folder, J22 apparent file, double click it. When this file is opened, stop for a while and do this cross check. What is that? Go to file, go to option, go to advanced, scroll it up to display, and make it sure that instead of inches, this is centimeters. Okay, and just click OK. Now you need to save this file as fact sheet followed by your name. They have also mentioned that you do not need to change the paper setting, the orientation, and the 2 centimeter margin. Just quickly check it, the margin. Go to layout, click on margin, and you can see that the margin is set by 2 centimeter. Perfect. Orientation is landscape and size is if. So you are not supposed to change anything else. Go to file, save as, go to this work folder. Now change the name to fact sheet underscore followed by your name. Change the file type to docx and save this file and just click OK. This is done. I have done these 3 steps. Check out. You need to maintain the evidence that yes, you have saved this file as a required file type. So very quickly, go to your work folder. And in this work folder, you can see that fact sheet has been saved and the file type has been changed. Press Ctrl Shift S and simply drag this region till here. Okay, release the button. Go to your evidence file, and in step number 1, evidence 1, press Ctrl V. Want to reduce the size, you can reduce it, otherwise it's perfectly all right. Press Ctrl S, get back to question paper. We are done with this evidence 1. Now here in step number 2, very quickly see that you need to add the header such a way that your name, center number, and candidate must be left aligned, and automated page number must be right aligned. So this is what we are going to do very quickly. Go back to your work file, double click the header region, go to insert, click the header thing, click blank 3 columns, and it says that here you should write your name, space PK635, space 123456. Whereas the right hand side, you need to insert the page number. So you can simply click on quick parts, field, click here, type P, and pick the page number, click OK. That's it. Double click it. In the footer area, you need to do something. You need to add the footer detail such a way that automated file name with path right aligned. See, since you can see that my file folder's address is so nested, it's so big, so it cannot be right aligned. So in this video, purposely, I'm not adding the path, I will just add the file name. Okay, but during exam, you need to save your file folder closer to the main root folder, like D colon or C colon, something like that, instead of putting your source files in 5 or 6 level of subfolders that will add the file automated file path so long it's difficult to manage. Anyways, I'm going to add the footer thing here, which should be right aligned. So press Ctrl R to right align, or do one thing that you go to insert and footer blank 3, and this is the right side. Click the document info and simply add file name. As you can see, when I add file path, you can see this is coming in 2 lines. So that is why I'm not adding it. Rather, purposely, I'm just entering here the file name, document info, file name. That's it. Double click to the body part, and that's it. So we are done with it. Strike out. This is a warning message, right? So you need to just read it that all the alignments match the page margins. No text is included in the header or the footer area. Header or footer are displayed on all pages. Yes, we understood. Move on to the next. Now in this area, you need to make these all styles. I know that you all are the master of it. So what I'm gonna do that I'm going to skip this step after starting the first option because we have practiced a lot during the class. Okay, anyways, I'll do it quickly for you. So select it, go to your work file, so make it sure that you are on the home tab, click on this collapse button and just move it here. Click on this clear all. Do we need this? Anyways, click on this new button, TA title. Now what they are asking you, they're asking you to make it sans serif 30. Sans serif means you cannot find sans serif. If you do not type Microsoft, you won't be able to locate it. Sans serif 30. So make it 30. They're asking you to make it center bold italic, center bold italic, and single line spacing with before and after space, it should be 0, 0. So by default, it is always single. Where can you find it? Go to format, go to paragraph, and you can see that this is single and the spacing before and after is by default 0. So click OK, click OK. So your first style has been created. Click on this style button again to add the new style, which is TA subtitle. Give a name to it. Sans serif 18 left. Sans serif 18 left. Left means this. And underline single. So no bold, no italic, underline. And single 00 is by default. So I'm not going to check it further because it's, as per my understanding, this is by default. Click OK. Your second style is created. Move up to the third style, which is TA subhead. Copy it here and paste it. They're asking to make it sans serif 18 center. Sans serif 18 center, which is not underline as well, but it must be justified. So for justified, you need to click on format, go to paragraph, and from here you can make the alignment to be justified. Okay, and none, single, 0, and after space after is 6. Oh, sorry, 6 or 9? It's 9. 09. So you need to go to format, paragraph, and make after space to be 9. Rest of the things will remain same. 09 and single. Just click OK. Then you need to make a TA body. Click on it. TA body. Oh my God. Sorry for that. TA body. So Control C and Control V. TA body serif. Serif font. If you are not able to find serif font as a replacement, you need to include Times New Roman. So just try the serif font. You can't find it, no problem. Type here Times New Roman. Make it 12 and justified. Make it 12 and justified none 0. Okay. So go to format, paragraph, make it justified. Okay. None single 06. None 06 and single. All done. Single 06. Click OK. I think this is done. Your body is in there. Next is TA bullet. Copy. Add it. Paste it. They're asking you to include a bullet with indented 2 centimeter and sans serif 14 to make it Microsoft Sans Serif 14. Okay. They are asking you to make this bullet indented 2 centimeter from the left, and also it should be italic with this stick shaped bullet. So from where you can find it? Go to format, go to numbering, go to bullets, pick this checked one, click OK, and also need to go to the paragraph thing, and the indentation should be before text to be 2 centimeter. Okay, and once again check that in the numbering, the bullet I have selected this thing. Okay, so this is it. Okay, TA table. It should be serif with 12. It should be serif means Times New Roman. Times New Roman. And it should be 12 left. 12 left. None single 00. So just simply click OK. So we have created all the styles here. As you can see, if I drag it down, you can see that all the styles have been created here. They are asking you to take the evidence of TA subhead. TA subhead. So where is TA subhead? Let me verify it that am I done everything correctly or not, because I doubt that I have just changed the alignment to justified instead of center. Sorry for that. So now you need to take the evidence of this paragraph style. Simply go to the modified thing. So you will find these all settings here. So press Ctrl Shift S. You can take the entire window, or you can just take this part as well, right? But I suggest you that you should take the complete window evidence, because the name is also mentioned and all the settings and the styles are also mentioned here clearly. Go to your evidence file. In evidence number 2, Control V and reduce this like press enter to move the next evidence heading to the next page. As you can see that your name, your center number and page registration number is appearing on the second page as well. Press Ctrl S to save your evidence file. Now display these custom styles name, the style manager organizer. This is style manager organizer. You need to take the evidence of this, drag it by pressing Windows Shift and S. And this is evidence number 3. Go to your evidence file, evidence number 3, Control B. This is also done. Press Control S after pasting your evidence. Then we are done with these all steps, by the way, right? Just quickly, I'm going to strike out them so that I may feel happy about it. I have taken the evidence of these all styles. Very good. Now you need to, at the start of the document, you need to type this thing, and you need to apply TA title as well. So you just come up here, press Control Home, press Enter, and type what is being required. So after you type it, you need to select this line and apply TA title. Done. This is okay. Enter your name immediately after the sub title produced by and apply TA subtitle. So type your name, select this and apply subtitle. What is next? Saying that apply TA body to the rest of the thing. Now press Control Shift and End key and apply TA body. I think I have done something wrong with this. I think it should be justified. Go to format, paragraphs, and make it sure that this is justified. I'm sorry. Right? So this is done. We have applied this style to the rest of the body. Now it is saying that change the page layout so that subheading structure and all following text is displayed two equally spaced columns with 2 centimeter spacing between them. Okay, look for structure. Where is structure? This is the structure from here till the end. Select everything, go to layout, go to more layout, make it 2 columns, and spacing between them is 2. Just click OK. We are done. Next, apply the TA bullet from intermediate. So press Control F, type intermediate. Where is this? This is intermediate. So select these 4 headings and apply. Boom. Make it sure this is available here. Make it bullet. Where is bullet? TA bullet. Okay. Bullet have been applied. Very good. This is done. Then identify 5 subheadings and apply TA subhead. Okay. This is the first heading. The second heading. Press the Control and click. Release all the buttons. Scroll it up. Press Control button and click it. How many headings I have selected? 1, 2. Oh, this is another one. 5 headings, and I need to apply TA subhead. This is also, alhamdulillah, done. Then using the file J228 adverts.csv, create a vertical bar chart to show the number of advertisements only for higher apprenticeship for the year 13 to 16. Now this step is really very important. You need to pay attention. What can be done that you can press Control N to open a new Word document. Go to Insert, go to Chart, go to Column, pick the first option, click OK, and it will open up one simple interface where it is showing you all the values to be you need to enter, and the graph is being shown up. The first step is click on this button, Show Row Columns, so that you may get all the series names in the horizontal area. Now the second thing is you need to open up that file which they are asking you to open up, J228 AdWords. Where is that file? J228 AdWords. Double click it. Now this file is opened. Take a while. Double click and make it visible. So this is the heading for the years. Copy it. Get back to this sheet. And in place of this, you need to just click here and press Ctrl V. All the years have been displayed, as you can see. Next, it says that you need to grab the data only for higher apprenticeship, right? So just copy, click on category 1 and paste it. And 3, 4, 5, and whatever those are in there, right click and delete it. So automatically you got. Now, if you are making this graph or this chart and you are getting something like this, so do not get upset. There is one button, you need to just click on it. It will swipe the data over the axis, right? So if you're getting this type of graph, do not worry, just click on it. You will get this table, right? Now read. what they are asking you to do. The question paper, we are done with it. They are asking you to label the chart with the title. So where is the chart title? For chart title, you need to click on quick layout and you need to select some options are available to you so that you can get something. Yeah, this one is better. Click on it. Where is the chart title, by the way? Why I'm not getting it? This is not good. So click on chart title, above chart, click on it and just type what they're asking you to make the heading. Then what is next? They are asking you format the value axis scale such that it may be able to show you the maximum value on y-axis to be 3600. Right now you're getting this value. Click over here, right click and select format thing and select what right click format axis. You click format axis. When you click format axis, it is showing you the minimum value, the maximum value. So in place of 4000, type 3600, press tab key. As you can see that now it is showing the maximum value. With an equal increment of 600, so instead of 500, just type here 600 and tab. As you can see that it is starting from 0 and with an equal interval of 600. This is also done easily. Label the category axis with the title year. So in place of x-axis, you need to write here YEAR. Also done. Do not display a value axis title or a legend. So value axis title, we do not need it. We do not need this legend as well. So this graph is in here. I think it's looking good, pretty good. So right click and strike out. Now they're saying that insert this chart after the paragraph ending seen in the following graph. So get back to your Word file, click somewhere, anywhere, press Ctrl F and type the following graph, press enter. Actually, this is the place where you need to enter this graph. So press enter. Now get back to this new Word file, press Ctrl C, get back to this file again and press Ctrl V. As you can see that your graph automatically fit in the column as per the column fit. Alhamdulillah, this is also done. And all labels are full, are displayed in full. Yes, we have done it. Then it is saying that import j2sign.png and place this file as below the subtitle produced by. So where is your j2sign file? Oh, where is that? This is, oh no, this is not your folder. j2sign, this is your file. Click on it, press Alt tab, move your cursor up, do not release the mouse, and just at this place, yeah, here, release the button. Not working? Drag it and release it. Okay. Now you need to read the question paper. They are asking you to resize to a width of 4 centimeter with aspect ratio. It's very simple. When you select this image, automatically a picture format option will appear. You need to change this width to 4 and press enter. This is done. They are asking you that you need to align to the left margin and the top of the page is starting and apprenticeship is a real job. So yes, it is starting. Text wraps around the image. You have done this in your previous grade. You know what to do. Just select the square option and bring it gradually down to the start of it. That's what they want you to do. So done. Save the document, and that is the end of your paper. So very good. Press Ctrl S. Your work is saved. You just go through with it before you submit your work. Please click enter, move this heading to the next page. Make it sure that everything must be start with a new paragraph right? You can see this is okay. Perfect. Why I have included it here? I think by mistake, just delete it. So that's why you always need to review your file. That's it. If you do not want to see, type here in the footer. Just come up here, click delete, delete, delete. That's it. Press Ctrl S and your work is done. Thank you very much, class.